Hi guys, this is Manoj from Madlookz VFX, and this week we are going to see some of the questions and answers related to Madlookz VFX itself. So let's jump into the video. First question is when I started my channel, okay? So this answer, if I'm just going to tell, like I have to tell a long description, okay? So we don't have much time, so I will just tell it in a short way. Okay, way back in 2010, that time I uploaded my first video in my channel. So at that moment it was not Madlookz VFX, it was just my Gmail ID. Okay, so why I have uploaded that video is for sending the link to all the companies which I was applying, and also to keep my story safely in a space. Okay, also that time my hard disk was in a state like it could be corrupted at any moment of time, so I thought of like let's keep my showreel and my personal works in YouTube channel so that it can be kept safe. Okay, so that was the moment where I got to know like there is a way to upload videos into YouTube and like kind of stuff. And in 2016 I got an idea, okay, like there is YouTube, there is a scope of starting a channel in YouTube like the media people doing, and at that time like I was moved from roto into prep, so that moment I was learning a lot of things in internet, and I was exploring a lot of things related to my work. Okay, so so I thought like let's take an initiative of making videos in YouTube, because I was following a lot of techie YouTubers that time, and I just took some of the concepts of those techie YouTubers and I made it in that way, like nobody will understand. Okay, it's like a video I took from them. Okay, so that that was like I just took a concept from them. Okay, and I just made it in that my style. Okay, so so that was the moment where I thought like let's do some YouTube videos and all. And in my work I got like all these explorations and internet. I was very keen on exploring internet that time, and all this exploration helped me to perform very well in my work. And when I noticed something interesting in internet, I used to note that and I used to apply that in my work. So and that really helped me actually. So some of my friends will ask doubts related to grain, and also I used to go and help them. Okay, so eventually that got practiced, and they will ask me again the same doubt. So I got like I thought like there should be some way to help these guys. So I thought of like making one video in making some videos, okay, which could help my colleagues in their work to or at least to make their work in ease. Okay, so I just made some videos and uploaded in my YouTube channel. Okay, so I was not so serious about YouTube channel and all that time, but my main motive was like there are people who earns from YouTube, and YouTube is a medium where we can earn money by doing simple videos and all. So I thought like it's very easy, but when I started my channel and when I started doing videos, I got to know like it's not easy to earn money from YouTube. Okay, and eventually I learned a lot of stuff like how to market my videos, how to do a perfect video, how to make a video perfectly like balanced with the title and all those stuff. So so all these things I learned, and I made videos to help my friends. Mainly I made videos for my friends only, because I was not having a big VFX community and all. If I made a video, I would get like eventually I will get almost 50 to 60 views. That's it. Okay, so that's the start of YouTube channel. And in I don't remember the year when Silhouette version 6 got released. Okay, Silhouette version 6, actually that's the milestone, because version 6 of Silhouette, like it's a huge upgrade. Okay, it was just competitive as they were claiming, like it's just competitive as Nuke. And Silhouette was a rotopaint tool, and they eventually changed it into a compositing package. So I was really keen and I was really interesting. Okay, so it was really interesting for me to explore further in Silhouette version 6. And thankfully, like Silhouette people, how they are making videos is like whenever they are releasing an upgrade or latest version, they do the tutorials for that and simply leave it. Okay, they have a official YouTube channel where they have introductory sessions for the new upgrades or the newer versions, and further I didn't notice too much tutorials from their side. So I thought of let's make some videos on Silhouette version 6, and eventually I started making videos for Silhouette 6. And seriously guys, I made a lot of videos on every single nodes in Silhouette. There were around 130 nodes at that time, and I was making videos on every single node, what every single node does. Okay, so and I was making videos how to do the same work which we do in Nuke, how we can do in Silhouette. So I was making such kind of videos, and slowly and eventually, gradually, I was starting to get a lot of views and a lot of things and all. So I pitched a mail to Silhouette people, like, I'm doing the marketing from your side. Okay, I'm making some videos. These all things I didn't plan actually. I just did actually. So I got a mail, I got a reply from Silhouette team, like, you have been awarded with a Silhouette license and education license. Okay, so that was a moment where, like, I'm not earning much from YouTube, but I'm getting such good appreciation from a company. Okay, that was a that helped me to do the videos from thereafter. Like, I did videos for Mocha, I did videos for lots of websites, I did videos for Nuke. Okay, and I got a lot of I didn't got a lot of money. Okay, seriously, I didn't got a lot of money. I didn't got anything from YouTube till now, but I got a lot of appreciations and a lot of like this licenses, so that I can further explore on that. And so that was the really great. I consider that is the really great appreciation from their side. And eventually I started making videos and all kind of things. Like, I started getting to know what industry needs and what my fellow artist needs. So I was making videos that a lot of freshers kept asking me, like, why are you not doing the basic kind of videos and all. So I didn't thought like, okay, let's make the basic kind of videos and all. I was just making videos related to some tricks or tips related to the work which I was doing. Okay, so this is my growth, and this is my travel of Madlookz VFX. And it was, as I told, like, I was the name of the channel was my Gmail ID, and eventually it just transformed into Madlookz VFX. And today Madlookz VFX has almost 3,000 subscribers with almost more than 200 videos. So yeah, this is the channel growth. The second question is, like, what are the softwares you use for your videos? Okay, so mainly I make tutorials on Nuke, Silhouette, and like Mocha. Okay, so that is because I have an experience in digital compositing as well as roto and prep. Okay, so I make videos on that topic, purely on that topic, and the topics which is really helpful for digital compositors or any type of visual effects artists. And yeah, this is the main softwares which I'm specialized in Nuke, Mocha, and Silhouette. Okay, when I started my career, I was doing compositing kind of stuff in Shake. Okay, Apple Shake. It was the time, like, Apple Shake was the key compositing package in the industry, and later the industry got transformed into Nuke, completely into Nuke, because Nuke is a fantastic software with a lot of options for customization. And like, people just moved into Nuke, and they got eventually they just ended up in Nuke. So Nuke is a fantastic software if you just want to get into visual effects compositing side, or if you just want to get into roto or paint or any kind of stuff. You should definitely have the knowledge of Nuke, because it is the industry relevant software. So I make videos on Nuke, Nuke, Silhouette, and Mocha. Okay, talking about Silhouette and Mocha, if I can hint you something, like, Mocha was a company owned by Imaginary Systems, and Silhouette was a company owned by SFX Silhouette. Okay, later Boris FX named company acquired Mocha and Silhouette. So now Boris FX owns Silhouette and Mocha. So the basic roto paint stuff or software in the industry is owned by Boris FX. So that's an additional information. So what are the setup I have for video making process? Okay, this is the third question, and basically I just want to answer, like, I have a system with 12 GB RAM, and I was having that. Now I am not having a system, as I told in my previous video. Like, I'm not having a system now, so I'm just doing this kind of videos which I'm not used to, actually, because I'm not a person who's come and speak before camera. I don't have I was not having that much confidence and all, but eventually, as I told, like, YouTube career or YouTube travel just taught me, like, you have to come before camera, and you should speak something to run your channel at least. Okay, so that's it. So I have a basic system with me, and I have a Boya mic with me to record my voice, and I have all the educational licenses for softwares like Nuke, Silot, Mocha, and some other softwares too. Okay, and I have this Wondershare Filmora. Yeah, that's the software which I use for video editing, and also I use Audacity for sound editing. Like, if I'm recording a voice, I can control the noise, and I can just edit the audio in Audacity. And Audacity is a free application which you can which is readily available in internet for free, and I uses AirPowerSoft Screen Recorder. It's a big name, AirPowerSoft Screen Recorder. That's the name of the software. I'm using for screen capture. Okay, I heard, like, there are many other options for screen recording, and because I'm using AirPowerSoft Screen Recorder, because from the start of my YouTube career, I got used to that, and till now I don't have any issues using that. So that is the screen capture software I'm using, and yeah, these all are the basic setups which I'm using. So next question is how I am updating myself to do regular videos. Okay, this is an important one. Like, basically I'm just doing this video just to help the people to get into this YouTubing kind of work, or if you people are passionate to share some videos, or share some knowledge through YouTube. I just want to help you guys. Like, this is a travel which I have traveled from start of my YouTube to till this 3000 subscribers, or this 3 years journey in YouTube. Okay, so this video is basically to help you guys, and basically to tell you guys, like, what are the system requirements I have, and what all the equipments I have in this video making process. So basically, what I have done to make my videos consistent is, like, I was keen in exploring in internet about my work. Okay, I usually explore after my work, and like, our work is like tiring some days. Like, there is no timing, it's not a government job, or there is no fixed time in your job. So it's about your efficiency. Okay, I believe I always tells my juniors, or the people who follows me, like, if you are efficient, and if you have a company, I believe, like, all the companies in India as of now have their own. I mean, it's good to work in most of the companies in India. So if you have the potential, so if you have the efficiency to complete your work early, you can leave the office on time. So that's my basic advice for all of you. Like, be efficient. So efficiency will not come by just working. So you should explore more, you should learn more things, you should further go into your work. Like, if you're just doing roto, you should just explore more about paint, or you should explore more about match move. So when you come into compositing, all this roto, paint, match move task is going to help you. So basically what I did, like, I explored in my own way, in I did hard work. Okay, so I just explored, I didn't waste a time. So there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of Facebook groups, there are a lot of WhatsApp groups, there are a lot of Instagram pages where I constantly go to update myself, or just visit there every time. So I have a video on Feedly app which helps. Like, if you have a Feedly app, you can subscribe to various websites, and all the updates in those websites will be straightly updated in Feedly app. So You don't have to go in every websites to check your to check the updates. So Feedly is definitely a good option for you guys. So, and I follow some of the Instagram pages like Artist Mesh, VFX Express, and some other motion graphics related some Instagram pages and all. And also I have a Instagram page where I updates about small bits of information related to visual effects. These all are things to these all things I do just to update you and just to update myself. So, and there are a lot of Facebook groups where I post my videos, and also I used to follow those questions and all which people which people post us on the channel or the group. Okay, so there are lots of WhatsApp groups too, like I have Topic Rooms VFX subscription, and VFX Express and VFX Insider, Animation Express, and I have a WhatsApp group like Madlookz VFX. There is a WhatsApp group where I constantly update a lot of information related to visual effects and latest updates in the industry. So so I constantly update myself, and I constantly explore a lot. So this helps in doing videos, and this helps me in upgrading myself. So this is the advice. Okay, so the final question is like, what are the future plans for your channel? Okay, frankly I can tell you, like, I don't have any future plans for the channel. I was having a lot of plans, but I mean, later on it got like, I got deviated from those plans, and now I'm just planning for my website. Okay, if my website comes, and if I'm planning something related to that, I'll just let you know through my YouTube channel. Okay, so I have a plan of bringing a website to you guys to help you guys in every way. So I'll just let you know in future if I have any updates on that. And I don't have any future plans and all, like I should do this, that and all. Basically what I'm doing is like, I have decided to update my Facebook page daily with lots of tutorials which I found in YouTube and other social media handles, and I have an Instagram handles where I update small bits of information related to, not related to, which is definitely useful to visual effects artists. And I have a WhatsApp group also. There also I used to update a lot of industry updates, and basically that is. And a weekly one video I'm planning for YouTube channel also. Maybe in future I will increase the videos in 1 week. So keep following the content and keep following Madlookz VFX for that. And definitely I will assure you, like I will provide you the content which I learn, and I will not guarantee you like I will bring you a lot of contents related to career management or career progression or something like that. I will make the videos like it should be helpful to you to improve your career. That's it. That's the main motive. I am improving my career through all those tricks, so I just want to share that with you guys, so that it will be helpful for you guys too. So keep updating yourself. And if you guys have any queries or any doubts regarding your career or anything related to work, just comment it down or message me in any of the social media handles. So till that, be safe and keep motivating yourself, and bye bye, take care.